Tell me 5 names of the Indian birds. Which is the most beautiful bird of India? Which is the favorite bird of Lord Krishna? Which bird is very helpful for the farmers? Which is our national bird? Which bird do you like the most? Please tell me the names of some hunting birds. Please tell me names of some Indian migratory birds. Have you ever seen any four-eared bird? Which bird can speak like a human being? Please tell me some names of insects. Do you like insects or not? Why do you like insects? Which snake is very dangerous? What does the snake charmer has in his basket? Can the snake hear the voice of the human? Can owl see at night? Which insect weaves the web? Who lives in the hive? Malaria is caused by. Thank you.